Okay guys, welcome to the next section. So the next thing we want to do is we want to actually work a little bit with color. I want to add an adjustment layer to just about everything here. So we can change it from kind of going with this kind of pinkish skin tone to more of a, let's say like a alien color, like a blue purple or something like that. So to do this, I'm going to make sure that I have everything that I want to affect on. And what's great about this is we have gone through and masked so many things that if I take away my background and I take away the eyes, the mouth doesn't really matter, but if we take away the eyes here, then we can just use our magic wand tool and select everything that is being shown. Oops. And we want to sample all layers with the magic wand tool. And let's take the tolerance up to 255, which is as high as tolerance. You can see that's selecting just about everything. And we want to remove the shirt because we don't want to affect the shirt. So let's use our quick selection tool, and we're going to use the option key to kind of make sure that we're on. This works. It helps a lot if you're actually on the on the actual one that has the items that you're trying to get rid of. So right there. Great, and great. All right, so we have that all pretty much selected out. Let's click on this just to see. All right, so there are some areas that we need to fix here. Looks like it didn't get the antennae, but and it didn't get all of that. So let's just go in and kind of fix this a little bit more by hand. So we're gonna use our brush tool. Once again, we're going to be painting in the mask, so there we are. Shift X because we're painting in. Oops. Okay. Right there. Same thing here. Since this is a color effect, we don't have to get crazy precise with it, but it would be nice if we got the antennae and stuff like that. So here we're going to use cancel. You don't have to sing, but it helps. We're going to use a brush tool here, and if we hold down Shift X, we can kind of soften up the area on the ears. Right. Same thing here. We're just going to shrink this down. Just kind of get that antenna there. Same thing over here. Okay. There we go, looking good. Let's get, looks right there in the neck, there's some issues, so. All right. Get out of quick mask mode, we have this selected, and now we're just going to use our color balance again. Make sure that we have this at the top. And let's push this a little bit more towards like a bluish color. Once again, this is just kind of the fun part because you can kind of see where you want it to go. Oh yeah, that's looking yucky, right? All right, let's check our shadows here. This is kind of giving a very kind of otherworldly look here. Okay, I think we're getting a little bit too much in that area. All right, there we go. And same thing with the highlights. Let's check. Bring a little bit more of that purple in there. All right. Okay, that's looking good. Let's bring back our eyeballs. See how they work. And that. All right. So, looking pretty horrifying. Let's save. In the next step, let's go through and actually put in a little bit more shadow to kind of sculpt the face a little bit more. This is going to be like a really weird version of a YouTube makeup tutorial. We'll do that next.